Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you this video, very beautiful and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women, many much more trendy and latest. Ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye. Different collection of low maintenance hairstyle, fine hairstyle. Too short, wavy and curly hairstyling. Messy hairstyles and very attractive collection of spiky hairstyles. Some ideas: spiky hairstyle with undercut. Different collection of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. And so beautiful collection of different ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Different collection of haircut: Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Different type of haircut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut: choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. And different ideas of bang: chinland bang, noseland bang. So attractive collection of face trimming. And many much more latest collection, latest ideas in low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. As you see in this video, I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support. Your help, so I hope you do this and share it all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.